students. It's Mr. Dan. I'm down here in Tijuana, Mexico, Baja California, with my good friend, Scott Fialko. Scott, good to see you again. How are you?
Dan. Welcome to Tijuana.
Thank you very much. Scott and I have been working together for many, many years, and this is going to be a beautiful experience for you to see all the different tools and everything that we use to create stained glass and decorative glass. So what are we going to show them today, Scott?
Well, I'd like to show the whole process from where we receive the glass, how it comes into the factory, how we cut it, and how it goes through the different machines to where the final ending is where our artists assemble it into a beautiful stained glass windows.
Wonderful. That sounds really exciting. All right, so how many different stations do you have here where you work on glass? How many processes?
We probably have a dozen different processes, everywhere from cutting, and then from cutting it either goes to the assembly tables, or it may go to hand beveling, where we have to grind the glass into certain special curves, or it goes to machines where it will bevel the glass also. Other machines can grind the edges. We even have an automatic cutting table. I'd like to show you how it does mass production of cutting.
So, you know, this is really interesting. A lot of our students are learning about XY coordinates, CNC routers, lasers. We even have lasers in some of our school districts, like Brawley. And it all basically works kind of the same way, where it positions the head. But you're saying that you have a machine that actually automatically, through computer, cuts glass.
Absolutely. The most important thing is that people understand computers. We program our computer, it goes to the cutting head, we lay down large sheets of glass, and it can cut the XYZ. So we can cut out squares or circles or arches, whatever pattern is programmed into the computer. So it's very important understanding computers and numbers.
Fantastic, Scott. Thank you very much, and let's do a quick tour of the plant and see what we got going here. I love this plant. I love seeing tools and processes and industry at work, and this is one of the finest glass fabrication facilities anywhere in North America. I'm really happy to be here and happy to introduce you.
Thank you. Let's get started.